Usually I just go with the very first one, that Google it. Means you can search about it, the search engine. So what we can use, we can always use the search engines, very first thing. Right? The search engines are always a good point to start with. If you want to just go ahead and run some query, right? And even if I'm just talking about the information gathering could be about the different things. Information gathering could be about your information gathering. So it could be about your person or about your organization. So Google search engine, it fits right into there. Right? Now, apart from that, what else I can do is I can just look into the social networking sites. Right? So using them, I can try to gather more details. Apart from that as well, what we are going to do is we can just use, if let's just divide it. I usually don't do this kind of thing in the pen test or in the your courses like CH and all, dividing this category. So I'm just giving you that knowledge. So if you will be joining me in the other courses, you will be finding the same thing over there. Social networking sites are going to be there. If you are talking about the people, there are something which we call the people search engine, right? You can use them as well. There are your social engineering attacks, right? So in the social engineering attack, I can do things like the dumpster diving, and it will be coming with the your social engineering attacks when we'll be learning about them, within that. So there is your dumpster diving attack, where attacker will be going into your dumps, your garbage, finding details about you, like your, okay. I think most of the time you guys have gone out your delivery boxes, right? So you receive a delivery and you just simply throw it out. Okay, that contain your QR code. That contain your that contain your QR code. That QR code could be containing your credit card detail, your payment method detail. There could be your address, your phone number, your email ID. So a lot of things could be those, boxes. So we receive a delivery from the Amazon, right? Any e-commerce website. Those could be containing the bills, which can have the much more detail about you. So that's the one thing. Apart from that, the job portals, they are again one of the good source to gather information. So many of the you should maybe you are using this particular job portal or different job portals. So in the job portal we uploaded our CV, and in the CV we are not lying about anything. So there you could be having your date of birth, when you pass your spouse birthday or at your anniversary. Okay, from where you have learned or from where you have actually studied and all those kind of things. When you pass the college and all that kind of thing, all that kind of knowledge will be over there. Okay, in the job portal. No one is lying on their CV, so we can get information from there. Right? Then there are the multiple other things, like we have the dating website, we have the matrimonial website. Okay, so what is happening? Let's just take for example that Shah Rukh here is bachelor. Now he is in the India. Very common thing is we will be looking for the arranged marriages, right? So what is happening? His parents are a bit worried that okay, he is getting older, he is not getting married. How to get him married? So what they have done, they have just make his profile over the matrimonial site. And because Farooq was aware about the security, so he was not available in any social networking sites. He was taking all the precautions that no, I'm not going to create my website profile over anywhere. Anyone can just do research about me. So he will be, I will say, quite in the he was taking all the precautions, but this will fail because his parents has created a matrimonial ID for him, and there they will be explaining where he works, what is his date of birth, what is his height, okay, how does he look, the photo, okay, how much he has, everything will be there. So that's the one thing. Okay, this is about the people when you are just searching about the different people. Okay, there are other methods as well. If you are from the England, you are from the Australia, right? You must have heard about the yellow pages. Okay, so yellow pages are I can compare them to be like the telephone directories. Like So from there you can also gather the information like any offers, days, numbers. You can find it over there, right? That is the one thing. Okay, and apart from that, we have some local sites. Like in India, we have the jantapost.com. If you want to check, do the background check and all those kind of things, so you can hire people over there. That's the another complete, story about the things. But that those are the few methods that what we can use. Now, apart from people, I can try to find information about the organization. Like, so when I'm finding the details about the organization, in the particular organization, I could be running a lot of things. So again, I will be starting with the Google. Right? So I will try to find them over the Google that what they are do. Okay, any particular information that is shared over there that will be beneficial for me. Then simply their official website is something that will be giving me a good knowledge, a good insight over there. Now, apart from this, they will have social media accounts, right? So again, that is a good approach. Then, apart from this, let me remove this people search engine from here. So there is going to be the stock report, right? There is going to be the economic reports, right? Stock report or economic reports. These kind of things will be giving you the insight that what they are trying to achieve. Okay. Then there is going to be your annual reports as well. Okay, there could be the annual report. So, what you can do, you can try to tell people that, okay, we are just trying to get together, we are moving to this technology, which could be leading your attacker to gain an insight that, okay, if you will be using this technology, maybe just give me a new attack surface, where I can find the different attacks better, right? So that is something that is there. And apart from that, maps are again good thing. So we have the 3D street view. So if I want to attack that particular organization, via the physical medium, right? I want to just try to, let's just say, disrupt their informer wireless router. So I want to visit that particular organization data headquarters. So without even physically going there, first thing I can gather the information that, okay, where I need to park my vehicle, where are all the paths they are leading. So using the maps, I can gain the bit of the idea. Then job portal. Now, if you have seen some of the requirements for many organizations, so what they usually say things like, we require a person having experience in this technology for this one year, and that kind of. So that is actually telling you about that which technology your attackers, your target is using. So again, it is useful one more time. Now, not only this, if we will be talking about a lot of things are going to be there. There are going to be the tools, right? There are going to be different methods. Like simply, you can use the GUIs, you can use the NetGraph, okay. You can use the Shodan, you can use the different tools as well, like Sublister, Maltego, Sublister. You have the Maltego, one of the good tools. We have the Harvester, right? We have your website mirroring tools. We have the simple tools like Ping, Traceroute. All this is helping you to gather the information about your target. Right? So you can mirror the website as well, like the XP track if you have heard about it. Right? So website mirroring, right? You can use that like the SG track tool. You can use the other tools like FOCA for the metadata collection. Means if in the particular website there are n number of documents, you want to collect them, like find the more detail about that. So you can do that as well, going with those kind of tools. Apart from that, I can always check the darknet or dark web, right, to find any detail about my target.